I wanted to do a quick review on working with Bacancy. My company DOPPLE has been working with them for about a year and a half now on 2 different projects, and it has been a really great experience. So we first engaged with them to build a mobile app and a website for us. We did have, a few concerns about working with resources that were all the way over in India. We're based here in New York. But we met with Banal in person, and that really helped start a really great relationship between Banal and his team and us. So we were assigned a project manager, Harindra, to work with. He's definitely been the best part of the project. He's absolutely fantastic. Again, despite being 12-hour time difference, I'm somehow able to get in touch with him basically day or night my time. He's extremely responsive. And we have set up very regular touch base calls, a very regular meeting cadence to just make sure that we're on the same page and, I can really keep up to date on our progress. So our favorite part of working with Bacancy really is the customer service. As I said, they're highly responsive. I can get in touch with them anytime. And they're really able to quickly kind of ramp up or ramp down resources as required for our project. So at first we had Harindra as our project manager, and then about 5 or 6 people on the back end, spanning UI, UX, infrastructure, and back end database development. We were able to scale that up as needed and get a lot more people on board when we needed to work more quickly and get more done. And then as we kind of transition into more of a maintenance mode, we were able to kind of quickly scale down those resources and really flex the engagement as needed. So that has been really helpful for us, especially as a startup. It's extremely helpful because we need to move really quickly. A lot of times our direction can really quickly pivot, and Bacancy is always able to kind of adjust to those differences and bring on the people and resources that are required within almost a day or 2. So that has been really great for us. Again, our favorite person to work with is probably Harindra, although that's just who we talk to on a day-to-day basis. I have spoken with a few other members of the team when he's brought them in to discuss questions or projects as needed, and everyone has been fantastic. So we've just really enjoyed our relationship with Bacancy. We don't see it anytime soon. We want to continue to work with them as much as we can. So I highly recommend them. Thanks so much, guys.